Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Bosch Series 2 Bagless vacuum cleaner with air cycle technology, easy storage, convenient handling. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Now let's see one by one what we have at the box. The floor nozzle, adjustable, 360 degrees, up and down. The button, release the brush, remove the brush at the front with this rubber. When you are cleaning, it depends the floor. Soft wheels. And the connection for the metal adjustable tube. Find the right length you want, different lengths, adjust it to your needs. That you can connect it at the front here and then the other side here. And you can swivel. It can go under your bed, sofa, wherever you want. And of course we have the spiral hose, plastic spiral hose with a connection for the vacuum and the connection for the metal tube. Or you can connect this one. This is the 2-in-1 accessory. Rotate. You can use with a brush or without the brush. And you can connect it here. We have the accessory holder that goes here at the metal tube. And have it just like that. It is your choice, of course. The floor nozzle, it is ideal for cleaning both carpets or hard floors. I will show you later. And we have in this attachment stand adapter for hose clip. Now let's move on at the vacuum. There's the vacuum. That goes here, lock it. It is storage for the spiral hose, I will show you later. At this position we have the cable. You can pull the cable. $5 meters of cable, I like that. Press the button. And of course here we have the filter. It is the exhaust filter. Pull that, remove the filter, and after a long time of use you can replace it. And of course you can clean it if you want. Silicone rubber around. Very good quality filter. Press and it locks. Then install the cover. And at the bottom we have the 360 degrees rotation wheel, one wheel at the back and two huge wheels, left and right. The handle, we have the adjustable speed, minimum, at the middle, and the maximum. Easy container cleaning, pure air, with an easy hose storage. And here it says 9 meter active radius. Together with the power cord it is 5 meters, plus we have the metal tube together with a spiral hose, total 9 meters. That's how they are calculating the length. And of course we have the on-off switch for the cable. Here at the front it is the connection for the spiral hose. Press the button and disconnect. Very easy. And of course we have another, just forgot, we have in this hard floor nozzle, very soft at the front, sensitive, I like that. And you can connect it directly here. Auxiliary air control switch. And of course at the front, push this button and release the container, the dust container. Press this button, empty all the dust, silicone rubber around, very high quality, definitely all the dust will stay inside the container. Press and it will lock. Pull, and inside we have the double filtration. Remove, silicone rubber around, one filter and another filter here. Double filtration. And very easy to install again the filter. And of course if you want, you can remove this plastic cyclonic system, wash it under the water without a problem, silicone rubber around, seal it very well inside, and then install it. Press and it will lock. So easy. Max capacity, it says here, silicone rubber in here. Of course you can remove all these rubbers, clean them under the water after a long time of use. And here we have another filter. You can remove this filter, clean it under the water, place it again back, reuse it and replace it after a long time of use. And very easy to install again the container, and it locks. So easy. And of course we have the storage here. Nice! So convenient. It is small, compact, definitely you can find the right place at your home for storage. So what is the most important when you are buying a vacuum cleaner? The suction power. Let's test that. Vacuum it is very clean. Everything it is at the container. With one press of a button, you can empty the container. This powerful and efficient vacuum cleaner is perfect for keeping your home spotless with minimal effort. Strong suction power and efficient dust separation technology. The bagless design means you won't have to worry about buying replacement bags, making it both economical and environmentally friendly. Has a compact and lightweight design, which makes it easy to maneuver and store. The large dust container is simple to empty, and washable filters ensure that maintenance is a breeze. Plus, the range of attachments allows you to tackle various cleaning tasks, from carpets and hard floors to upholstery and tight corners. Its ergonomic handle, long power cord and automatic cord rewind feature ensure the cleaning is comfortable and hassle-free. The vacuum operates quietly, making it perfect for households where noise might be a concern. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient vacuum cleaner that delivers excellent performance without the hassle of bags, this vacuum cleaner is an excellent choice. Its powerful suction, user-friendly design and versatile attachments make it a standout option for any home. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more appliance reviews and home tips. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.